Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Plymouth GTX. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that I love this body style. This is my favorite car in the world. I actually sold this car 2 years ago to a gentleman. I bought it out of a private Mopar collection out of Virginia, and this gentleman actually knew the person I bought the car from. Well, him and I ended up doing some horse trading on a little dart he had, and it was funny when the guy bought this car, his buddy was telling me that once he got this car, he would completely take it apart, which, you know, just shocked me because the car was beautiful, but he did. Guys, I've got probably $40,000 in receipts in the trunk, and that's what this guy does. He gets a car, he starts with a nice car, and then he tears them apart and just makes the cars beautiful. And I'm telling you guys, this car is gorgeous. It's factory yellow car. It's got the black correct GTX stripes on it, the black vinyl interior. Great car. It's got a 70 day-coated 440 in it. Now he has completely disassembled that, put a 6-pack cam in it. It's got 915 Mopar heads, but look at all the trim on this car. He just did a beautiful job on this car. And like I say, he's got a buddy that we were talking about it when he did the trade. And he does. He buys the car, starts with a nice car, and then pulls it apart and makes it look like this. All new wiring harnesses. But just a gorgeous car. And the bottom of this car is, I mean, put all new front disc brakes on it. I mean, he completely disassembles the car and goes back through it. You see how nice the trim is around the vinyl top there, beautiful vinyl top. And again, I originally bought this car in 2016 right out of a private Mopar collection. So this car was slick as it was. And he's building another one. He's got a green one now. You can see how nice these bezels are, guys. These are expensive stuff to find. Even this little, most of these you look at, this is not even going to be on there. That little thing around the key protector there, I think that piece of trim's like $60. Pretty car, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. The tires on this car, $260 a piece. They're Diamondback radial redlines, so there's no white letters anywhere on them. 260 bucks. Sorry guys if you see something, just a little splatter when the boys are pulling it around. 260 bucks a tire. 15-inch Mopar Magnums, 500s all the way around it. Car's just as nice on the bottom, guys, as it is on the top. He's converted it to front disc brakes. Again, just completely went through the motor. It's a 1970 day-coated 440 block. It's got 915 heads on it. Brand new. I think he said it's a $680 carburetor on it. It's a Holley 4-barrel Mopar aluminum intake. It's got a set of Hedman headers, power steering. You can see the aluminum water pump. He's converted it to power front disc brakes, 727 Torqueflite trans. I'm not hip on these wires, but guys, he made me promise I was going to leave them on. They're Taylor wires. He said it took him 3 weeks to get them. Aluminum radiator with a shroud, an electric fan. Just a beautiful car. little stone peck there. You can kind of nitpick the, not much, but you can see a little patina there to the A-pillar chrome. Door handles are new. New door rubbers. Love this body style. It's got the bucket seats with the buddy seat. Factory dash, 98,808 on the odometer. That is the original miles. It's got aftermarket little Sun Pro tach in it, some aftermarket gauges, AM radio. It's got all brand new dual exhaust with the chrome tips. It's an 8 3/4 323 Sure Grip. And the Dart I got from this guy, he did the same thing. Here's all his receipts and everything for the on the restoration. It's got the factory jack in here. I think this is a fender cover, car cover. It's all body color in here. Car's got the original quarters still on it. He's had the whole front suspension completely apart. Car is just slick. I love these cars, man. Like I say, this is my favorite body style in the world, man. I love these cars. Very partial to them. Headrest car. That was an option on these cars, guys. Matter of fact, the new one that he's got that he's getting ready to start on, I've never seen. It's actually a dark color green in 67, which I honestly didn't know they made. This is just a beautiful car. Again, just a little cam to it. He said it's got the 6-pack cam in it. How it runs too, guys. It gets up and goes. Drives down the road great. My favorite thing, one of my favorite things about these cars, I love those fender mount turn signals on these cars. Gauges work, all your aftermarket gauges work. Car's got a great sound to it. No, I don't think it's working. The gauges are working. Blower motor? Yes. Blower motor works, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Matter of fact, you see all the new Mopars that we got coming. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. I love this car, guys.